Hi, welcome back to KikusTech. I'm Christian and today we will learn how can we create a bootable pen drive or USB flash drive. Guys, I trust you. This is really so simple and easiest method to do it. Okay, if you are fond of installing new operating systems like Linux, Windows, so just keep watching this video. It is just made for you. Okay, and if you didn't install the latest version of Windows 11 yet, so guys, go to the description link, check the video and download the Windows 11 and install in this system. Okay, so we will start it to creating a bootable pen drive with the operating system. Okay, so I'm just going to start now. Refresh it, going to the browser first. Now we will search for Rufus. Rufus basically is a bootable USB software and it is completely fast and easiest software in the world, mostly usable. So just click on the first link and now it's opening. My internet is slow, so guys just carry on. Okay, so go to the download tab, click on the Rufus 3.14. I'm not going to save it because I already downloaded, right? So closing the Mozilla. Now just here is the file that I downloaded. So this is the Rufus 3.1 version. Okay, so there is no installation required for this particular software, so just double click on it. It will be, just give the permission to the yes, and now it is opening, right? Insert the pen drive, that is must, the device one. So here is the pen drive that you inserted in your system, so keep it. Now next is the boot selection. I prefer to keep it default because mostly operating systems are come in the ISO or disk images, so keep it default. Now select the image that you want to be installed in your system. I want to install Windows 11, but I already installed this, showing to you. So just take the ISO file if you guys want to be installed in your system. So check the link below, download the Windows 11. Okay, now open it. Now it's opening. Okay, now image option, I prefer to standard Windows installation. Okay, you can choose the Windows to go, but prefer to standard Windows installation. Partition scheme, choose MVR, and target system, choose BIOS. If you guys are using the latest version of laptops or processors, so go to the GPT partition and choose the UEFI system. Okay, but for old laptops or old generation, the MVR is the perfect for you guys and it is easy to install now. Okay, now the format options, volume level, you can give any name. I'm just giving like Windows 11 because I'm just going to install Windows 11 Pro. And file system, keep it same. Cluster size, keep it same. Show advanced, no need to be open, show advanced format. And here you guys, you can see this is ready option is, I mean your bootable pen drive still not ready until you start it. Okay, just click on the start button. Now it is asking to you, warning, all data on the device, or I mean your USB or pen drive will be deleted and it cannot be restored again. Okay, so continue this operation. So keep your important file in other folder. Okay, right, so just OK button. Now deleting partition in your USB or pen drives. Now creating MVR system in it, and it will take around 5 to 6 minutes depending upon the size of image file that are you guys going to be installed. So let's complete it and we will come back after the completion. Okay, till I am just pausing this video. Okay, thanks. So till it is copying ISO file to our bootable pen drive, so I request to everyone who is visiting to KikusTech, just kindly subscribe this channel. Really guys, support us because we are working hard on this channel to make the best content for you. And please suggest us if you guys are facing some tech related content, so please suggest us in the comment box so we can make the more videos on this kind of content as well. So keep watching this video. So now it is almost completed, 99.4% is completed now, and I think now it's 100% completed. Okay, so now your bootable pen drive or USB flash drive is ready. Now you can close this. Okay, here is the green signal, it is ready. You can install any kind of operating system, whatever you guys choose the file. Okay, so don't start it again, otherwise it will start again the whole process. So just close simply, and now you can use it. Open your file manager and I will check there. Here is the pen drive and everything is in the manner, so you can just simply click on setup and your bootable pen drive is ready to work. So guys, if you like this video, just share with your friends and keep watching the KikusTech latest content and subscribe our channel. Thank you.